Alright, here's Tony. Waste not, want not. It's the same process we went through with building the other gunnel supports. We're using just a scrap kusa, making up pieces big enough, and then we're gonna cut them out from the template. Yeah, that's one template Tony made. So these are just been put together. Let's get a weight on this to cure, then we'll trace it out, cut it, and go fit them.
Alrighty, I am about to put a layer of chalk strand on these, I guess, mini gunnel supports. I wouldn't call them a bulkhead. So this is 3. The other 3 are being glued together right now, and some still need cut and fit. But these are ready. They're fit, so I'm gonna get a layer of glass on each side. Alrighty, just got a little bit of trimming left to do to leave space for our console. Our side console is slot in between our support and our vertical face of our gunnel, just leaving a little gap for it. So I'm gonna make the accommodations for that now, and then we can get some gunnel supports filleted in. Okay, so we already have about a 1/4 inch gap here, so I'm going to double it another 1/4 inch for 1/2 inch gap, and that should give us enough room to get it in there. Here we are. Some decent looking fillets. I'm gonna let these cure and then just knock off any sharp edges before we glass them in. Okay, well, let's mix up the rest. We're certainly gonna use all of it, and maybe even a little more. Let's keep it going.